Hi, I'm Kevin, Eurotek OKC. It's summertime and I think of touring. And when I think of touring, I think of the best touring bike on the planet, my opinion, the R1250 RT from BMW. So with the features that we have on the R1250 RT, it's the new shift cam technology that's in the R1250 motor. You've got smooth transitions on torque and horsepower. You've got electronic suspension adjustment in the dynamic ESA. You've got programmable ride modes. You've got connectivity. You've got GPS preparation, and you've got Sirius satellite radio. So all of those things would make your tour go by sublimely. To make life a ride on a BMW R1250 RT, check us out on the web, www.eurotek-okc.com, or give us a call, 405-948-4000.